Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my most recommended accessories for your laser here that you'll probably want for yours as well. We're going to start with the largest one here to get it out of the way, and that is the honeycomb tray here. This one specifically is made for the Atom Stack Hurricane behind me. That's why it's so large, but you can get smaller size for your laser. They make all sorts of different sizes. I'll drop a brand link that I like down in the description below where you can get all sorts of different ones made for all sorts of different lasers here. But essentially what you want to do is you want to find one that has these little magnet clips here. You can buy those separately as well. They just clip onto the honeycomb tray and it'll hold down your wood material flat. So that's one benefit over slats. The other benefit and the most important thing is if you're making like name signs, so you know those little signs that you glue together and you put like names in like a puzzle. Well, essentially this will prevent those letters from falling through the tray and then your laser beam backtracking over top of those letters. This catches all the small parts, but it allows the really small parts to still fall through and enough space for all your smoke and debris to go through as well. So I highly recommend a honeycomb tray if you don't have one. You can get them all various shapes and sizes for your machine. With that said, my next recommendation here is Titebond glue here. You can get any kind of wood glue that you want. I just like this because it dries translucent. It dries really fast if you actually put a thin coat on too. That's my favorite type of wood glue that you can use too if you like to. I'll put some information for that down below as well. And speaking of wood glue, you're also going to want a rubber tip hammer. You can get any style that you want. Just make sure one side's at least soft enough that it's not going to break your wood as you hit it. But essentially what I use this for is putting like 3D piece designs together. When you just pound them in, they'll snap in place if you get a really tight kerf fit. Next up is an obvious one. You probably have this come with your unit, but if you don't, I wanted to include it here, and that is an air assist. If you have any ability to add an air assist to your laser and you don't have one on your laser, I would really recommend adding it. But if you have a unit that can't add one, like a Glowforge, theirs are already adequate enough with the fan pre-built in. But if you have a unit that has an optional air assist, you're going to want an air assist for sure. So I just wanted to include that. I like showing off the Laser Pecker's air assist because it just looks really classy and stylish. But some of them are going to just look like a fish tank air assist, and that's okay too. You can just pick out one that you like. And then last but not least, you have jigs of all types and sizes here. So you can have jigs for like holding coasters, or you have pens, bottle openers, dog tags of various sizes, cards. You can do anything that you want. I highly recommend John. He made all of these for me. I'll put a link to his shop down in the description below. And he also made this little jig system here too for holding like tumblers on like the Wheat Crate. That's what this one's made for. But you can get those made for other types of machines as well. So if you guys have any questions or any custom requests, I'm sure John will take them if he's not too busy. Just hit him up on Etsy. But with that said, those are my most recommended laser items that you get from the start. There are other ones. We can talk about that in another video. But if you have questions on any of these, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.